ruling tyrant of the earth, to vital slaves I owe my birth. How is the greatest monarch blessed, when in my gaudy livery dressed? No haughty nymph has power to run from me, or my embraces shun. Stout to the heart, condemned to flame, my constancy is still the same. The favorite messenger of Jove, and Lemnian god consulting strove to make me glorious to the sight of mortals and the gods' delight. Soon would their altars flame expire, if I refused to lend them fire. By fate exalted high in place, lo, here I stand with double face. Superior none on earth I find, but see below me all mankind. Yet as it oft attends the great, I almost sink with my own weight. At every motion undertook, the vulgar all consult my look. I sometimes give advice in writing, but never of my own inditing. I am a courtier in my way, for those who raised me I betray. And some give out that I entice to lust, to luxury and dice, who punish and thence on me inflict, because they find their pockets picked. By riding post I lose my health,